Hi, my name's Kevin Hewlett at Prince Precision Products, and I work in the drafting department. One of our continuous improvement projects is our press brake simulation software called Metamation. This program allows me to program our press brakes offline, thereby freeing up our operators to be able to get stage jobs and to set up and run the programs that's sent out, thereby reducing downtime between jobs. Metamation also has a material and tooling library that we have built to incorporate proven bend allowances for each type of material and tooling. It also helps our operators with setup, showing them the position of the tools and the position of the materials through 3D models that's sent out to their consoles on each machine, so that we can get a correct part off the first time, every time. Metamation has been a great time saver for our production facility.